Okay. So, I was right now, few hours ago, like 2 or 3 hours ago, I was sending message all over my social media that we are dropping, and this is your opportunity to, collect some bitcoins. And I have bought some bitcoin at 6K level, and I'm still waiting that price to go even lower. I set some orders at 5K and set some orders at $4,500 level, because this is a once in a lifetime opportunity that you will get this, precious bitcoin in cheap price like this. Take advantage of this opportunity. So, just like you also need to keep some funds for 3 to 6 months, like at least 6 months for like because we are on global pandemic, and because of this crisis, you need to save some funds and save some food and water, all you need to save for emergency. And also, uh, the portfolio you want to invest, you don't want to go all out of your portfolio. You just invest 10% or 20% or 25% of your portfolio in your investments. So, you know there is a one famous quote in trading that you should not put all your eggs in one basket. Okay, just spread them and keep and buy different assets in at different prices. And when it comes to cryptocurrency, dollar cost average is the key. I always say that. I sold few like 25% bitcoins at this price last month on February 12th. I sold here at the top, or you can see at here at 10,300. When I saw this end buy signal and the money leaving the market, I exited, and I sold my 25% bitcoins right here, and I bought right here today. So can you imagine that I took profit here, 25% bitcoin, and I bought uh, 15% bitcoin right here, and I will buy even when it goes even lower. And after buying that, all the bitcoins I sold, after buying back, I will still have a lot of saving, which came from here. So that's how you should trade. Not only these indicators, technical analysis works, but you should also collect these assets are meant to be collected for where you can spend it for emergency. So I want to that was my take on bitcoin. Then I want to move on litecoin. So a few hours ago, I bought some Litecoin. I'm not using any leverage trading today, but I bought some Litecoin at 5,400, and I am up, few percentage up. Right now, I am on $60 profit, but I'm not using any leverage now. Uh, 2 hours ago, I think I bought, and I am on $60 profit. I think you know it will give me some more profit. I want to hold it, and I set some orders at even lower prices on Litecoin. There is I think there is one more person here. His name is Antonio, and Antonio was chatting with me, and I suggested him to buy some Litecoins. Antonio, can you hear me? Unmute yourself. So wait, let me take you to Coin Market Cap. Wow, just take a look at this. 23.43% drop in single day. Ethereum dropped, XRP dropped, and Litecoin Litecoin also dropped here 30%. All of these four currencies are correlated. So I want to buy these current currencies: Ethereum, Litecoin, and XRP. I will also bought some XRP, and I'm up on XRP on my XRP trade right now. And you know there is one way to multiply your bitcoins. If you want to multiply your bitcoins without doing leverage trade, then you should buy these coins: XRP, Ethereum, Litecoin, EOS. Okay, if you buy these coins, and in terms of bitcoin, do not buy in terms of dollars. Okay, if you want to buy these coins on in terms of bitcoin, Litecoin versus Bitcoin, XRP versus Bitcoin, then you can multiply your Bitcoin. That's how I multiply my portfolio each time. And when it comes to
Griffin, I don't understand.
Can you explain that to them a little bit more, like what you meant by that?
Okay.
In the layman's language.
Okay. So okay, I show you on exchange. Okay, let's take me to exchange. Let's take you to exchange. Binance. It's LTC. Example, Litecoin and Bitcoin. So take a look at this. I bought some Litecoin at 141 level. Right now it's a 5600 satoshis. Okay, so I am up on my trade. My orders has been got filled right here. Okay, so whenever I bought on a 5400 level, whenever price goes for 7000 satoshis. Okay, then sorry, it's not 7000, it's 56,000. Yeah, 56,000 satoshis, or you can say 0.0056. But when price will go at this price, like 0.07 or 8, okay, then I will sell my all my Litecoins, and I will have like 20 to 30% more Bitcoins. So have I made my point clear?
Yes. So basically what he's explaining is, when you go to purchase, say if you're purchasing Litecoin, don't purchase Litecoin versus USD.
Yes.
Purchase Litecoin versus Bitcoin. So when you sell, you've accumulated Bitcoin and not dollars.
Right.
It's the same as when we're trading Forex pairs, like GBP against Euro or GBP against USD. You can choose whether to trade Litecoin versus Bitcoin or Litecoin versus dollar. Choose Litecoin versus Bitcoin, or Ripple against Bitcoin.
Yes. So example, today I bought some Litecoins at here, and I will sell Litecoin at this price, at $48, and I bought at $32. So I will sell my, I will place my bid at $48, or 0.08 Bitcoin. I'm trading on Litecoin versus Bitcoin here. So I will, I bought some of Litecoin here, and I will buy some Litecoins at this price at 44, 41, or 38, like 38.50 or 38.41, and $23, you can say. Look, what you want to do, you want to dollar cost average. You want to buy Litecoin and current price, and you will set some orders at lower price points. So whenever it will automatically dollar cost average on somewhere this price range. Okay, and whenever price will bounce from here, and your portfolio will come into profit. So what I meant is you cannot find a perfect entry when market is dropping. Okay, you cannot find perfect sell entry. No one can find. No matter who you are, you cannot find perfect entry like from here. All you can do is set some orders, some orders here, some orders here, some orders here. So ultimately, you will have some average price. Then you, whenever market reverse, then you will have some profit. So, you did you understand?
Yes, I can understand.
Okay. So
So if I want to place my order like today, what do I do? I want to buy some today.
if you want to buy, then sign up on Binance. Okay, there is a, I will send you link.
Oh, on Binance.
Yes, I will send you link
Yes,
where you
please.
can use my link for making a free account. You will also get some free Binance coins if you use my link.
Okay.
And
Okay, please do.
yes, and you will look at Ethereum. I bought some Litecoins. If you are interested, then you can buy it too. This is not investment advice. That's what I'm doing. That's why I'm sharing with you.
Yeah,
Look
that's
at huge red
that's
this
it.
green candle.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yes, and I also bought some Bitcoin at 6K and set some orders at 5K and 4,500.
Okay.
Yes, and we have officially hit this support at 0.22 thousand satoshis, 23,000. And we will drop even more. If we drop like a 0.18 level, then I will enter on Ethereum trade. I will go all out on Ethereum. This is the price what I like. This is the cryptocurrency that hit $2,000 on 2017. So let me mark this price for you. So Ethereum was $2,000. $2,000 was at peak. This was the top price of Ethereum, and right now price is sitting at let me show you, BTC, sorry, USD. Right now price is look, 138. Can you imagine how much lower it is? So more than 90% drop. And just imagine when enter at this price point. This is also a good price, but I'm not being greedy, but I don't want to um, you know trade Ethereum and Litecoin at same time. But I will buy this coin if the price dropped at this price point. uh, ETH versus BTC, because I bought before on this levels right here at 18 0.187. Yes, I bought at this price, and I sold at 0.23, I think, the same price we are at right now, and I did not enter it again. Okay, because I don't want to enter in same coin or currency multiple times. I don't like trading,
Okay.
in and out in same currency or same pair, because it could be dangerous. So when it comes to cryptocurrency, I act like a hodler. But when I trade stocks, then I can enter multiple times. I like to hodl cryptocurrency because it can give us 10 times return. When you will see bull run on this currency, this Ethereum, then I'm not saying much, but we will see this coin at $500 level. This is a 2x or 3x. It's a 3x gain. almost. So same goes for Litecoin. Litecoin price was $1,000 back in 2017, and right now Litecoin price. Look at Litecoin price. So it's a $34 from $1,000 to $34. That's why I bought some Litecoin at this price point, because even if it goes $100, not just uh 1,000, even if it goes $100, I will see all. So that's my favorite coins. And XRP, don't forget XRP. And what is XRP? See, Coinbase, right? Wow. Oh, we are pumping. I want to sell some. Just wait a minute, please. Okay, I booked my profit. Market order. Okay, executed. I earned $50. so, so that's how you trade this currency. Oh my God, $80, not 60. $80 profit. Okay, so I bought some XRP here. This was a very great price. So I don't want. I'm not expecting price to go hit at this all-time high of this year. I just look at that I'm in profit and book it. Take your money while you still can. So
Okay. Wow.
I am a positive on this trade today, and I exited. Okay, and if it dropped, I have still some buy orders at this price point. So I took this profit, and Litecoin versus Bitcoin, I am also on positive. Okay, just some people wicked out from here, but if we see like double bottom, or this double stars, then we could bounce from here. Anyway, so any questions on crypto?
Send us your link. Where are you sending the link to?
Okay, I send you the link. The link is available on the in tutorial video. There's one more thing. Look at this website, my website. I added I added this latest price strip here. I showed before to David and me were talking before about this you know codes. Wait, internet is slow. Look, David, can you look at this?
Oh, I love it. I love it.
I made this change just yesterday,
I love it.
right? And look at this is S&P, Nasdaq, and Euro, USD, and BTC, Ethereum. Top coins and top pairs.
Oh, that's really nice.
Look.
Were you able to pick which ones you wanted in the script?
Yes. No. I want to show you one more thing. When you click on contact, you will look at these charts. It's coming straight from TradingView, and you can take a peek at current prices on my website.
Oh, wow.
And you can look at this news. You can select any like Nasdaq, and you can also look at news here about Nasdaq. Okay, new volatility landscape. There is news page also available here. Just like this, you can add indicators. Wait, Kanashi. Look, you can add your indicator. I saw that David used a lot of indicator like this, MACD.
Right. Awesome.
Yeah. So I will add some more features, and I will make one more page for bot, and I will post live results of bot. Like there will be a live trade very soon coming on. Like I will invest $100 and I will trade from bot. I will not trade by myself. Okay, I will add some signals from these indicators, and I will link it with bot, and bot will trade on Binance. I will show results of bot on daily basis.
Wow, we want to see that.
Yeah, yeah, right. So any question related to crypto?
Come on, guys, ask.
Ask away.
Ask question.
Is Bitcoin
Let's buy
going?
crypto. Let's buy crypto.
His own work. So I want to say that you always trade top coins. Do not go this bottom of this list. I don't trust these coins. I trust on always top coins or top currencies.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yesterday I was drawing this wedge, and because of the news, all our technical analysis, they, they did not work. Because of the news, because of the U.S. President, Mr. Trump. He's responsible for this drop. This is a descending pattern, and descending wedge always you know they always broke upwards, but because of the bad news in the market, and this is the result. Notice price was hitting this resistance again and again. It should broke upwards, but okay, anyway.
That's Trump for you.
Yeah. Not only Trump, in India, there is news that borders has been closed for 1 month. They are just saying 1 month, but that period could extend. That period could be 6 months until they say they will find a cure or a vaccine for corona. And there some people are saying when summer will come, and this disease will disappear, because the symptoms are same like cold, and on summers uh, the cold bacteria or uh, they die with the hot temperature.
We need to
Yeah.
offer ourselves up um for scientific testing of the vaccine,
Yes, yes.
isn't it?
Like when you have cold, or when you get sick in the winters, then you have fever. What our body does, that it raises the temperature, and when body temperature is raised, then our body some get more immunity against the diseases.
Griffin,
Yes, sir.
I have an appointment that I'm going to run to. So do me a favor at the end. I'm not saying end now, but with you being the host, if you could just end the session when you guys are finished.
Sure. I want these guys to ask any questions if they want.
Yeah, ask away, you guys, because right. Hey, like Griffin was saying earlier, I mean, this is some really special times. I mean, a lot of our assets that we have available to us are at dramatic discounts to us right now.
Yes.
When I was doing real estate and I used to do foreclosure purchases, it was like the saying was, the blood's in the streets. Now's the time to be, buying up a lot of this discounted assets and to hold. And the writing's on the wall. I mean, I'm sure a lot of the same things are happening in other countries, but you know, the writing on the wall here in the United States is we're closing. United States is closing its borders. Our professional teams are shutting down. Countries around the world are shutting borders. People are being sent home from work and not being allowed to come to work. Schools are closing. Harvard University, probably one of the most famous universities in the world, has closed. So, you know, the coronavirus has really rebalanced and shifted all markets way down. It's not going to stay down. So we need to take advantage now and put our resources and buy smartly into some heavily discounted assets to hold for the turnaround, and also have resources available to us to trade every day. But think of your balances more in a portfolio mindset. Portion a part of your portfolio to be buying discounted assets such as gold, silver, cryptos, those things of nature that we can just hold long term. And then the other part of your portfolio we utilize for day trading, and we're compounding our daily profits too. So you're in good hands with Griffin. Please ask all the questions you can think of. He's, you know,
Right.
got a
So
lot of knowledge. And super nice guy. I mean, he's an open book. So, you know, you can see that he's just trying to share everything he knows. So utilize it.
So
Thank
guys,
you.
this crypto is available on 50% discount. If you want to grab it, then grab it. You know, this is your opportunity. It's available on 50% discount. Buy some here and set some lower orders at lower price. Wait, let me clear things for you. Buy at 6K right now. Okay, and set some orders at 5K, and set your final orders on $5,500 level. And trust me, guys, you will thank me later if you buy at this price.
That price is that for Bitcoin or for
Yes,
that 4.5? What?
Bitcoin, ma'am. It's for Bitcoin,
Oh, 4.5 Bitcoin. That's cheap.
right? So there is only 1 million Bitcoin in existence, and you know, not even one Bitcoin. No one can get one Bitcoin in this world. Then you will be a 1%. We will be one of 1% people who will get Bitcoins. So be in a list of 1%.
So the deadline is when? When can? What's the? Because I just organize my funds now.
Deadline.
Mm-hmm.
There is no
The
deadline.
cutoff time.
So just take this opportunity. You know,
Okay.
there is one more thing I want to share with you. It's really important. There is one favorite analyst of me. Then look, his name is Bo Polony. Okay, wait, the gold 2020 forecast. So this is the analyst. Okay, just take a look at his 2-minute video, and you will say when do they finally bottom. And March is the month then where Bitcoin finally create a bottom of this year, final bottom of this year, and then you will see a parabolic move. Then, you know, end of this year you can sell at whatever price you like. This is the final bottom, and just take a look at this 2-minute video.
Okay.
This video was shared 9 hours before the drop. Okay,
The nice thing thing about doing this interview today, when you wanted, I was looking at the calendar, I'm like, this is an incredible thing that you wanted to interview. Because basically, this interview, potentially, this time calculation is correct. Which I tell you, it probably is, okay? People will look back at this interview and go, holy mackerel, that was actually the exact bottom.
Bitcoin will suck on March. Just take a look at this 9 hours ago. 9 hours ago, price was 8K, 8,000 freaking dollars. And look at the price now. It's sucking. It's really sucking, you know, sucking the money out of market. Look.
Bitcoin is going to kind of suck a little bit in March. It ain't going to be really exciting, okay? So all of those...
Look, price was $9,600 when he was shooting his interview.
Talking about the halving and Bitcoin's it's going to keep going up and up and up into the May halving. No, it is not. It's going to go up and down. March is going to suck. It's not going to be a really great one for the cycle for Bitcoin. But here's the good news.
So this is when he will tell us that currencies, when crypto.
What, Gladys?
Okay.
Oh, no toilet roll. Oh, no pasta. No soap. No.
Pasta.
The
Iceland.
bottom arrives in March, guys. This is the one.
Never even expected to be sold out. That sold out.
These days.
Pepper. Yeah, pepper. A woman can even get pepper. Cleaner. Gone. 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 But we go back. Candle. Gone. Yeah.
There's a lot of background noise.
Oh, that's great. Long line for the shelf. And there weren't many left. It was just the Asda one.
Doesn't matter.
The bottom arrives in March, and we are on month of March. Just take advantage. Okay, so that was it. So guys, this is the opportunity in front of you. Any questions?
No.
Hello,
Hello?
can you hear?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what you are explaining now, is it different from what the information I got before, like about 3 or 4 years back, when I heard about cryptocurrency
Right.
and this Bitcoin? They were mentioning something like blockchain and mining the Bitcoin, and then somebody put me off by telling me that it's not a centralized system
Of course.
yeah, that the government is not in favor of it and the bank is not in favor of it. But what you are explaining now is like trading it like the way they trade forex.
Of course. So what you was asking, that someone told you that the Bitcoin is not centralized, right?
Yeah.
Yes, of course. This, you know, this is a cryptocurrency, and cryptocurrencies are, you know, this is a first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Okay, and this is not meant to be a centralized money. Okay, so take a look at when what is happening with the US dollar. Okay, US dollar inflation. You know, since 1914 until 2020, you know, US dollar is been deflating. Okay, sorry,
Yeah.
it had so much inflation. And we'll take a look at what is the value of a US dollar back in 100 years before, and right now. Look.
They have more value.
Right. And let me show you something important. Okay, there was a chart, some charts I found back before, but okay, I can explain you like this. You know, Bitcoin is not centralized. It's a decentralized asset class. Okay, what I mean by decentralization, the control of this money, uh, the control of this money is in the hands of public, for
Yeah,
in
it
the
can
hands of people
and
like you and me, right? So that's the meaning of decentralization. So if you want
I,
your purchasing power to, if you want to submit your purchasing power to us, to government, then it's okay. You know, all people have their own choices. Look, I show you.
Griffin,
Wait.
hello.
Yes, sir.
I understand it, and that's I'm not. That's not the point of my question. What I'm trying to say is that what you're explaining now is like trading cryptocurrency in the form of the way with the trade forex. But what they were explaining to me that time is like buying it physical
So you
and
cannot
then
find
know,
you cannot
knowing
find the
something about
platform.
and knowing something about blockchain. So those things they were explaining before to me, and then I couldn't find any person who could put me through. But again, somebody also decided to put me up totally by saying that the government would never allow it. But then it has been rising and rising. So my point I want to know now is that it's not that what you explain is that we are going to be buying it and physical, like you have physical cash, but just to trade it in the way with the trade forex.
I don't understand your final last whatever you said in last.
So a cryptocurrency 4 years ago, they
Can you
said they buy it.
can you type your question here on in the chat box?
Let me try.
Okay.
Just
Griffin,
continue. So let me put my question here.
Griffin,
Yes, sir.
are you expecting the gold to go down even further, or or do you think that's at its bottom and ready to go back up, as in properly go back up?
You know, I wanted the gold to drop or at this level, and we already hit at this price point. You know, if you remember 2 days ago, we was on Zoom call, and and the price was here. You know, we were here back in the day. Okay.
Yeah.
And I told everyone we will hit some kind of double top. Okay, we will
Yeah.
hit double top, same like before. Let me show you what happened before. Oh, was this the double top I was talking? Oh, wait, one day. Sorry, hours. You know, all I wanted that price to drop until here. You know, this is the similar pattern we have seen before.
Yeah.
I don't know where that price point lost. But let me show you on higher time frames. Right now money flow is decreasing, so according to me, until we see a green dot here on 12 hours or 4 hours or 6 hours, I won't see any recovery from, you know, in gold price. On 6 hours it's bearish, and 12 hours it's bearish.
All right.
Wait. I want to show you 1 day chart that it's still bearish.
Right.
And ribbon is changing its color. Look, we had a red dot, and we are still going down. Okay,
Right. No problem.
whenever we will see green dot here, and uh, whenever we will see green dot on 1 day chart, then we will continue rising. Okay,
Right. No problem.
but this signal was right on point. It was profitable.
Griffin,
Yes, ma'am.
can I just ask, how do you like turn off the ribbons on and off the indicator, the ribbon? I've
Okay.
been trying to see where to adjust that and I can't find it.
Okay, ma'am. I'll show you. So just to click on buy sell signals or ribbon, or on this gear icon. Look, I will click on here like a buy or sell signal, and it will take you to settings, and it will, you have to disable one by one on each of these ribbon lines.
Okay, how about if you don't have the ribbon at all and you don't have the buy sell signals, where would you click?
You don't want buy sell signals too?
No, it's not there. It's disappeared. All I've got is the candles.
Yeah, just
I'm trying to bring it back.
wait. So that's how you disable all these ribbons.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and if you want them back, then just click here and set reset defaults, reset settings. Okay, so it will come back. And if you you can also disable like this or enable like this. Like you said, you don't want buy or sell signals, then
No, I want them.
yeah, you can also look, show buy and sell labels, you can disable, and it will go away. Right.
I'm not quite. I did. Apart from, okay, yeah, that's the one.
Yeah, it takes a few seconds to load.
To bring it back is what I'm struggling to do now.
If you want to bring it back, just reset defaults. Look, it will come back. Wait, see, it's
Okay.
back now.
So you clicked on settings, didn't you?
Yes, just yes, right.
I don't think
This gear icon.
I didn't have. I don't think I saw that on mine.
You was using on phone or your laptop?
On my phone originally, but when I tried to go on my laptop to see whether I should do it from there,
Right.
I didn't have the time. So maybe it was because it was
icon. You can see this icon on your phone, no problem. And
oh, really?
yes, you can see. I do that all the time on phone. There
Okay,
is an app. There is a Trading View app. If you really have that one.
I do.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Then I wanted to show you one more thing. There even after I post the tutorial video on my website, there are still people complaining that not complaining, they are taking wrong entries. Wait, I show you entry of my friend Antonio. But I taught him how to do it right way. But I want you guys to learn that what you should do. Look.
Yeah, I'm looking at my phone now.
Yeah. Wait. Look, he's saying that need your advice. Bitcoin and USD gave me buy signal alert on 4 hours, and he took that buy signal, okay, and he was down. He was down on his trade, and he was he was asking me, should I hold or should I let continue falling.
Yeah.
So so that's the mistake what he did. This is the 4 hour chart, and he took this buy signal when money was leaving the market and ribbon was wide open and ribbon was red, okay, and he took that buy signal. So you guys tell me, you should take it or no?
You should have looked at the lower time frame.
Right, I explained it on my tutorial video that when money is leaving the market, then stay out of
You
stay
forgot
away
the
from
fraud.
buy signals.
Yeah.
And when money is coming into the market, and then stay away from these sell signals, they won't be so much profitable.
Mm.
So that's something that everyone should know.
Yeah.
If instead he took entry on this signal, then he had make he was in profit. He were in profit if he took the sell signal instead of this buy signal.
Yeah.
So my friend Antonio was, if he is still alive, then I want to tell him about alerts. He was asking question on alerts. Okay, I have message. Yes. Okay. Sad smiley. Okay. I was told some years back that one has purchased a physical Bitcoin and learned about blockchain. There is no such thing as physical Bitcoin, my friend. Okay, the physical Bitcoin does not exist, and this Bitcoin is a currency of internet. You can only purchase it online. Do not fall for fake physical Bitcoin. There is no such thing like that. Just throw it, or you can use it as a showpiece at your home. So I want to clear things on alerts for Antonio. Antonio, if you're watching me, then I will add some alerts. Look, if I want to add alert on 4 hours like you did, then you know how to do it. Look, on Armour A, alert for long. Okay, then whatever the message you want, then create alert. Then if you want to add alert on different time frame like 30 minutes, then create a alert on 30 minutes. If you want to trade according to 30 minutes, look, add alert here, go, and same thing. Okay, then I will type Bitcoin buy signal for me on 30 minutes. Okay, I hope you can add as many alerts as you want on different time frames, on all of these time frames if you like. And if you want to add alert on other currency or other coin, then you can add it. More messages. Oh, okay. I don't suggest that you add end alerts for end sell and end buy. You know why? Because these signal will not confirm until candle is closed. Okay, so let me give you an example. Do not add signals for end buy and end sell. Let me zoom in a little bit. 4 hours. Yeah, here's more clear. So right now, we are on 4 hours chart. Okay, whenever after 4 hour this candle is closed, and this new candle pops up, and then it's showing you end buy and end sell. So if price reverse from here, or it created doji like that, then end sell signal does not exist. Okay, you know what I mean? It means end sell signal only confirm when candle is closed. So there is no point adding the alerts on end buy and end sell signals. Okay, so it could disappear, okay, until the candle is not closed. So this signal will confirm until you see a new candle. So is that clear, sir? End buy and end sell signal only valid, they are only valid when candles are closed. It could disappear after appearing, because it should hit resistance or support. If candle is not big enough and it did not hit support or resistance, then this signal will not appear. candle should close. So that's why I don't add alerts on end sell and buy. Anything else? Oh, I am going more up on Litecoin. It's reaching 5,700. I wish my orders at lower price orders get filled. I wish it dropped $28, then I buy some more Litecoins. But if it touches, it went above 6K, sorry, 60,000 Satoshis, then I will take profit on this price. The only currency I want to hold is Bitcoin. I don't want to hold Litecoin. I don't want to hold Ethereum because I'm greedy on Bitcoin when Bitcoin is low. You have any questions, my friends?
No,
You have any questions, sir?
no. At the
Anything
moment.
on any other market? It's going up. These safe countries. Europe is a safe country, and look at the price of these currencies going up. Sorry, what was the price of Norway? Norway country. What was the name of Norway currency? NOK, I think.
Yeah.
NOK, EUR. Oh, okay. Norwegian krone. Oh, it's down against EUR. Oh my God. Last time I was looking at this price point, and on last Zoom session when I was the host, it was here. We got 2 sell signals and price dropped on the ground. Okay, guys, if you don't have any questions, then we should close this call, and I will upload this video on YouTube.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Thanks, Griffin.
Yeah.
Thank
Thank
you
you
so
very
much.
much.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And
Thank you.
see you guys on next Zoom session.
Thank you so much, Griffin.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Bless you all.
You too.
Amen.